Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above.
So starting off, we're going to take some oil. We're going to mix that with some of our shea butter. And we are going to place that all over the hair. Now, here goes the extraness. So I'm going to have the jam. I don't know what she's dying for. She needs help. A rat tail comb. Some styling mousse. We got this from the 99-cent store for like $1.49. She was laughing too much in the first clip. Okay. And here goes the part that she cares about the most. The purple hair. So we used the Sensationel 3X Ruwa. I don't know how to say it. So now she's going to take this out of her hair and just listen to the shenanigans that
What's wrong with you? First of all, nothing. Don't be coming for me like that.
Don't be coming for you. That's too late, sis.
Where's the scrunchie? How does scrunchie get lost? Wait.
I'm gonna keep my comment to myself. Talk about it. Your scrunchie got lost. How it get lost in there? There's nothing to get lost in.
First of all, what did I say about being disrespectful?
Okay. Hey, she must have. Like I said, you see how she treat me.
How I treat you?
So now we're going to take the shea butter mix as well as the multi-use oil blend that I have in the heavy, because of the fact that her hair is as thick as it is, as well as because of the fact that she has not been properly taking care of her hair. She asked me like a year or two ago for her to be able to have a bit of creative control when it comes to her hair, and I allowed her to, and y'all see how short her hair has gotten. So now she's allowing me to actually do her hair again because she wants me to revive her hair to what it used to be, which is, longer than this and more moisturized than what she got going on right now. So I take the rat tail comb and I basically comb out the ends. I am going to give her a trim, but in the meantime, I'm going to take the jam and I'm going to place that from the roots to the tips of the hair. Mainly when I go on the roots, it's to help with parting, to make sure that all of the spacing is as neat as it possibly can be. And then I'm going to basically just separate the hair. Now, I need to invest in one of those racks for hair because ever since a lot of people saw this, they've been asking me to do their hair. So I might just actually add that as on another hustle. Y'all already know Vastia is a multi-hyphenated individual. So now I'm basically taking it throughout the remainder of her hair and blending her natural hair with the synthetic hair, so that way when I'm braiding it, it lays flat as opposed to having any like lumps and bumps and all that good stuff. And then I just basically continue that process all throughout her head. And I'm going to start the braids and do a majority of them and then give them off to her because she asked me last minute to braid her hair and I was not in the mood. So this is basically me just parting her hair, giving her a few spaces. If you guys would like to see pictures of the parts, the front, the back, and everything else like that, make sure that you are either subscribed or follow me over on Instagram. And then this way you guys can actually see like up close and personal to her hair strands. So I basically do that all over the hair, and then yeah.
this is the part where you need to slow it down. I apologize for my viewers because somebody didn't put back up the light that fell. Ain't gonna say no names.
Sure.
So now what she's apologizing for is the light in the back. She kept bumping into it and dropping it, so it didn't give her that halo effect that she wanted. So she's like, Mom, you really can't just put the light back up. I'm like, sis, you just keep bumping into it. I'm not gonna keep picking it up. Like, I'm already braiding your hair. I've been up for too long. I want to go to sleep. So I basically braided her hair all the way down. And like I said, a majority of it I just give to her to do because, you know, the point of my child getting her hair done by me is I want her to also learn how to do these things herself, so that way, just in case if I'm, you know, God forbid, not around for whatever reason, she'll be able to not walk around looking crazy. So when it comes to her baby hairs and all that extra stuff, she got that locked down. That's her thing. Swoops, buns, all of that, that's her. I don't really care for stuff like that. I care more about the health of hair. She cares more about the aesthetic. So right now what I'm doing is I'm basically parting the hair, and then I'm going to do the traditional loop of the hair. If you guys would like to see a knotless tutorial, let me know and I will find a subject, and I will definitely go ahead and do the knotless box braid technique on that person. So basically I part it, separate it, put it down the center, and then
A lot. Like my friend Lena, she posted it on her private story on Snap, and then everybody just started watching it.
Oh, okay. So that's a thing. Oh.
Like they're still saying Kalia passed me the detangling brush.
Good. Are you passing them their detangling brushes?
Leave me alone.
No? That's on you, sis.
Me? Cause you didn't edit it out?
Why would I edit it?
You're supposed to care about me. This is harassment. And if you're watching this, stop watching it.
so yeah, you can ignore my daughter. Basically she has friends who watch I guess like they watch my channel, and she's like, Mom, you're embarrassing me. So yeah, that was her message to her friends. So now I'm just basically braiding her hair all throughout, and then I'm gonna come back when we get a lot further down in the process.
Sorry if I'm being way too honest. I'm tired of living on a broken promise, since everything I do seems to come right back at me. Don't tell me what is right or what is wrong, when you don't even listen to my songs. Think you use my innocence against me. Don't you stress me. Why you getting mad with my opinion? Seems that you are blinded to my vision, but you don't really care about what I'm feeling. Never listen, no. Tonight, don't test me, don't test me. My mind ain't ready, ain't ready. I don't wanna fight no more. I'm over giving up my soul tonight. Don't test me, don't test me. You like to put me down to feed your ego. You say that I should listen to what you know, and if I don't agree, it don't matter. All of my beliefs, they don't matter, no. Why you getting mad with my opinion? Seems that you are blinded to my vision, but you don't really care about what I'm feeling. Never listen, no. Tonight, don't test me, don't test me. My mind ain't ready, ain't ready. I don't wanna fight no more. I'm over giving up my soul tonight. Don't test me, don't test me. Who are you to lie like that? Who are you to act like that? Who are judge like that? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you to lie like that? Who are you to act like that?
Hey ladies and gents. We did 95% of my hair, and I said we because I braided the rest after she started the braid. Plural. Keep freezing.
It doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, it's still
recording.
yeah. So, she's just moisturizing my scalp.
Dry ass scalp.
She doesn't know how to show respect, so do not mind her. So then after that, she's just moisturizing the head, well, my hair. And she's going in with a rat tail comb. She don't want to call it a rat tail comb because the end isn't pointy enough.
It's still a rat tail comb. I just asked you to get one that had a pointier end.
So you can try to stab me.
Of course.
So now she's still detangling because my ends need to go.
Tell them who's been taking care of your hair.
My mother has.
Don't lie. Go ahead, tell the truth.
My mother has not been taking care of my hair because
Why?
she does not love me enough.
If the internet believes that, that's the internet's business. But go ahead.
And then since she don't love me enough for some odd reason, I had to take care of it. And what 12-year-old trying to take care of their hair? Not me.
I was taking care of my hair when I was 10.
Different age, different time. That was a long time ago.
Yeah, and I didn't have YouTube and I didn't have the internet to help me with those things.
I don't know what you want me to say about that.
You have no excuse.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I gotta moisturize it, wrap it up. I gotta get silk cotton, not cotton, silk, what's it called?
Pillowcase.
Yes. Oil my scalp. And someone won't let me use the oil applicator thingy, the oil dropper.
If you plan on purchasing, you can. And also the reason why I don't allow you to is because of the fact that you're so clumsy that you would break it.
Mama broke it the last time, that's why I don't have it no more.
Sure.
She dropped it. I was doing my hair. I was doing 2 little slick back ponytails, one with a little swoop, like swoopy. And then I'm oiling my scalp for the first time in a long time. And then she gonna have the nerve to drop it. She walking past, walk, and she drops it, and she pretends like, and then she said,
you know people are sleeping.
and then she says, oh, I didn't do that. Why would you drop that? So right now she's doing the little braiding technique. The little one strand smaller than the one strand, and then you wrap it around to make it 3 strands. Yeah.
So yeah, my daughter tends to exaggerate because everything is a story. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything that I had to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I would like to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave that down below. And if you guys don't get my daughter's sense of humor, don't know what to tell you. But yes, I am excited. You will be seeing more of her on my YouTube channel because I think she wants to do like mukbangs and a whole bunch of stuff. And yeah, so If you guys would like to see a Q&A between me and the little one, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in 2020.
Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp, mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whipped, coming with the freshness. Yeah, light green, squeaky clean, so he buy me nice things. I fiend, bigger bling, only register ka-ching. Too high, too fly, when they look up at the sky. It's a bird, it's a plane, superwoman, say my name. He said beggars can't be choosy. I said it's Gucci, I'm couture like the movies. Don't need face tuning, Jamba Jewish looking smoothie. No GMO, these bananas never bruising. If you can't remember two things, I never needed luck. See my haters say what's up, best part of waking up. Like Folgers in your cup, grinding everything I got. They gave up but I had not, now I rock at the top. Making money like a mint, laying in my ice like shrimp, mint condition that I'm in, coming with the freshness. Yeah, I got that brand new shit. I bought it so I don't pay rent. All my boys are pussy whipped, coming with the freshness. Open up for a treat. Switch your rinse and repeat. You wanna get like me? Big bars, mint cars, lined up on the boulevard. In this beat, push hard. We might set off some alarms. He deceit, pussy treat, bend it over. He's deceased. They might talk a lot of game, but they can't back up the claims. I see it and believe it. He's in agreement, cut the check like you mean it. Lick it and seal it, never kiki in my feelings. It's too appealing, breaking glass in your ceiling.
You can see exactly where I braided
Excuse.
and then where you braided.
Excuse. Don't do that.
So, yeah.
Because I did that, period.